Good afternoon, class. Kennedy present. Steve.
Present.
Okay, I've seen most of you are present, so we can start our session. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about Pascal programming data types. I've shared a screen. Steve, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, we have data types. We have several entities. Data type means constraint or possible values, operator, function, and modes of storage associated with it. We have several data types. We have integer, we have Boolean, we have real, we have character. Those are standard data types. We have user-defined data types. Under user-defined data type, we have sub-range and enumerated. We have a chart there. Can you see that chart?
Yeah.
We have data type. Then you have scalar data type. Data types are categorized into three. We have scalar data types, pointers, and structured. Under scalar data types, we have standard data types and user-defined. Under standard data types, we have integer, real, character, Boolean, and enumerated. Under user-defined, we have sub-range and enumerated. We have pointers, then structured. Under structured, we have arrays, record, files, and set. Now we're going to learn how to declaration of data types. We have the syntax of declaring data types. We'll start by learning scalar data types. We have a syntax of declaring data types. We have type identifier, then you equal sign, then you give type specifier. Have you seen that example? Have I highlighted?
Yes.
We have type day, age is equals to integer, then you terminate that by a semicolon. Under Boolean, you have yes or no, then true or false. Equal operator, Boolean, then you terminate. You just give the name, then give an equal sign, then you terminate with a semicolon. For slide 3, we have constant declaration. Constant, these are values that does not change in the entire program. Pascal allows numerical, logical, string, and character constants. Constant can be declared in the declaration part of the program by specifying the constant declaration. Syntax of declaring constants. You start by the keyword const. Have you seen it? Then identifier is equals to constant value. You give the value that you want that is constant. For example, you have velocity light, which is equals to 3.0 E is equals to 10. Then you terminate with a semicolon. We have pi, which is equals to 3.14592. I think you have used this one for several times for calculating area of circles. You can also give a name, then you make it a constant, like name is equals to, you start, then or you make then any choice that you want to be a constant. But class, remember, when you use a constant, that value should not change in the entire program. I've highlighted there, I think you can see the syntax of declaring constants. Have you seen, Stephen?
Yes.
You have seen that. Then you are going to look at enumerated. The enumerated data type, they under user defined data types, they allow value to be specified in a list. Only assignment operator and relational operators are permitted on enumerated data types. For example, of enumerated syntax of declaring enumerated data type, you type the word type, then you give the name, then identifier, you give the equal operator, then you specify the list that you want to declare. The following the example of declaring data type. There is the example. I've highlighted there. I think, can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have summer is equals to, then those months that are there experience summer. We have April, May, June, July, September. Then you terminate by the semicolon. We have subrange. Under subrange allow variable to assume values that lies within the certain range. Hope you understand that. We have age. You can specify that age between 18 to 100. So you start by the minimal one, then you give the dots, then you assume the other ones, then you give the maximum 100, then you terminate it by the semicolon. Have you seen that syntax? I also highlighted that.
Yes.
Okay. Then our last topic, we're going to look about an example of subrange. Here is the example. We have type, month is equals to, you open the bracket, January, comma, February, comma, March, comma, April, comma, May, June, July, comma, August, comma, September, comma, October, comma. Yeah. Then summer is equals to April, You put there 2 full stops or 3. Then you write that month, the last month, August, then you terminate by the semicolon. For winter, it is the experience between October to December. So you write, you give October, then full stops, then December. Then you terminate by the semicolon. Hope you have understand that. Okay. This is the end of our lesson. Let's meet the next lesson. Okay. Thank you for attending this class.
All right. Thank you.